Hey, hi guys. Today I am discussing business law. This is for SEM 2. Uh, the first question is about contract of guarantee and contract of indemnity. Here, what you have to do is first you define what is contract of guarantee, what is contract of indemnity, and then in the concept part, you will have to mention various points, that is explain first the meaning, what is the meaning of both the guarantee and indemnity. Then you give examples. Also there are few points which you can mention, like liabilities only up to the payment, or liabilities till the time the entire contract is over. So there are a lot many things which are available on net. What you can do is you can Google search difference between contract of guarantee and contract of indemnity. Now let me just define what is contract of guarantee and contract of indemnity. The contract of guarantee is based on three people, wherein if A and B, so A and B gets into the contract, A pays some amount to B, which would say that the B would give interest on that amount. But in case if the B fails, then in the contract itself it is mentioned that there is a person C who would fulfill the condition. Now coming to the second part, which is contract of liability. So in the contract of indemnity, it is defined that a person would give the entire losses if party 1 and party 2, if say A and B got into the contract and there is some loss which has occurred to B, so the entire loss will be paid by C. This is contract of indemnity. Examples for this is say I would say loan taken from the bank is a contract of guarantee example, where if one person fails to pay the amount, the guarantor who is taking the guarantee has to pay the loan amount along with the interest. And for contract of indemnity, we can refer to the insurance company. So basically you are getting tied up with the insurance company, that in case if there is any condition that happens, then the insurance company would pay some amount to the person. So these are the examples. What you can do is Google search, and there is a lot of data available. Moving to the second question, it is about two examples of competitive conditions in India, which is basically act of abuse of a dominant position of a company. So this falls under section 4(2) of the Competition Act. And first to define what is Competition Act, and then there are various cases available. So either you can go to indianqanun.com, or you can Google search say abuse of dominant position cases. You will get many examples. I have chosen two cases. One is Dhanraj Pillai versus Hockey India, and the other is about Amazon and its reseller. So there is one which I also saw, which was for a person was fighting for the credit card rules and regulations with HDFC. So yes, you can get a number of cases over here. If you're not finding it, yeah, do buzz me. I'll share the links. You can go visit that website. You can extract the case. Now technically, if you see the entire language which is written on this cases, it's basically quite legal, and we will not understand what is supposed to be written. So what you do over here is you mention what is the case about, how did it came, and what was the judgment passed. This is how you write the second question. Moving to third question is about the partnership. Here what I have thought is the partnership at will is the best partnership, which would be beneficial to all the partners. So you mention what is partnership by will, advantages of partnership by will. And then moving to the second part, this is about registering the partnership firm. So yes, it is a good option to really register the partnership firm. Why? Because there are many legal benefits that would be arising, and the partners would get the benefit of this. So it is better to register a partnership firm instead of having a non-registered partnership firm. So this is how you complete third B. I will be uploading the other videos also, probably in a day or two. Thank you for watching the video, and I would request everyone to subscribe to my channel so that you get an update whenever I am posting the video. Thank you. Have a great day and best of luck for your assignments.